What if luxury, performance, and innovation converged into a single SUV? Meet the 2025 Lexus RX, a vehicle that redefines what an SUV can be. Welcome to AutoXplore, your premier source for in-depth automotive insights. Today, we're diving into the confirmed features and specifications of the 2025 Lexus RX. As we explore this remarkable SUV, we encourage you to share your initial thoughts in the comments below. Is this the luxury SUV you've been waiting for? Let's find out. The 2025 Lexus RX showcases a bold evolution in design. The iconic spindle grille has been refined, seamlessly integrating into the vehicle's aerodynamic profile. Sleek LED headlights complement the grille, providing a sharp and modern look. The body features sculpted lines that not only enhance aesthetics, but also improve aerodynamic efficiency. The RX's stance is both commanding and elegant, making a statement on any road. Is this the best-looking SUV in its segment? Share your thoughts. Under the hood, the 2025 RX offers a range of powertrain options to suit diverse driving preferences. RX 350. Equipped with a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine delivering 275 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque, this model features an 8-speed automatic transmission with front-wheel drive standard and all-wheel drive available. RX 350H, a hybrid variant combining a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors, producing a total of 246 horsepower. This model offers enhanced fuel efficiency without compromising performance. RX 500 HF Sport Performance. The top-tier model features a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine coupled with a high-capacity battery and electric motors, achieving a combined 366 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse accelerates from 0 to 60 mpf in just 5.9 seconds, offering exhilarating performance for the discerning driver. Would you choose the RX 500H Sport Performance over competitors like the BMW X5? Let us know. Stepping inside, the RX offers a driver-centric cockpit adorned with high-quality materials and advanced technology. The standard 9.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. For those seeking an enhanced experience, an optional 14-inch display is available, providing intuitive access to navigation and entertainment features. The cabin is spacious, with ergonomically designed seats that offer both comfort and support, making every journey enjoyable. What's your favorite interior feature so far? Comment below. Safety is paramount in the 2025 RX, equipped with Lexus Safety System Plus 3, which includes pre-collision system, detects potential frontal collisions and assists in mitigating impact. Lane departure alert with steering assist helps prevent unintentional lane departures. Dynamic radar cruise control maintains a set speed and distance from the vehicle ahead, adapting to traffic conditions, recognizes traffic signs and displays them on the instrument panel, keeping the driver informed. These features contribute to a comprehensive safety suite, providing peace of mind on every journey. The 2025 Lexus RX is available in several trims, each catering to different preferences and budgets. RX 340 starting at $50,325. RX 350H starting at $52,575. RX 500H Sport Performance starting at $61,120. These prices position the RX competitively within the luxury SUV market, offering a blend of performance, luxury, and value. What sets the 2025 RX apart in a crowded market? Direct 4 all-wheel drive. Exclusive to the RX 500H F Sport Performance, this system optimally distributes power between the front and rear wheels, enhancing traction and handling. 4 Sport Performance package offers sport-tuned suspension, unique styling cues, and interior enhancements for a more engaging driving experience. Advanced safety features The comprehensive Lexus Safety System Plus 3 ensures peace of mind on every journey. These unique features make the RX a standout choice for those seeking luxury without compromise.